Hey, how's it going? In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful zucchini fettuccine. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is make a beautiful tarragon oil. So we need some tarragon. I'm going to chop that up fairly roughly. Then we're going to need just the green parts from some spring onions or scallions. Then we're going to go over to the Vitamix and pour our olive oil, followed by the spring onions and then the tarragon. So as you can see here, it's not catching fully in the Vitamix. So whilst the Vitamix is moving, you're going to want to pour slowly a little bit of extra oil in until it catches. Okay, then you want to prepare a nut milk bag or any kind of straining bag into a glass bowl. Pour your oil into that and gently squeeze, but not so hard that the water comes out, you just want the oil to come out. Next, we're going to make a quick, fun macadamia parmesan. So individually, you're going to grate macadamias on a really fine grater. A microplane is really good for this. So scoop that up, transfer it to a bowl, and then you're going to crumble in some nutritional yeast, followed by some salt. And then lightly mix that together either with your fingers or a fork, so it stays a little bit fluffy. Okay, now for the fettuccine itself. Take a courgette or a zucchini, top and tail that, and then we're going to run that lengthways along a mandolin with a julienne blade. And you want to stop with the zucchini when you get to the seeds. If you use the seeds, they can be a little bit watery. So we're going to take these gorgeous zucchini fettuccine strips, transfer those to a bowl. So then we're going to take our red pepper, chop the bottom off, get rid of the seeds by cutting down the sides, as you can see here, and then stack them up and slice them really thinly. And then scoop those up and add them to the bowl too. Next, we're going to work on a shallot, so top and tail. Take the skin off, and then we're going to chop that nice and fine as well, lengthways too. Alright, then the last piece of this before we assemble is the sauce. So cashews. Soaked cashews, I like to soak them for at least 20 minutes, but a couple of hours is good. Into the blender, along with some water, more green part of the spring onion or green onion or scallion. Then we're going to need some lemon juice and a little bit of salt. And then before we blend, a little bit of that beautiful tarragon oil in there as well. Blend that down until it's nice and smooth and creamy. And then you want to add an amount to your zucchini fettuccine. Don't add it all at this point because you don't want to overwhelm your pasta here. So just add enough, mix it in as you can see here, and then add a bit more if you need to. If you've got any microgreens, it's a great place to just pop some in at the end here. And now we're ready to plate. So as you'll see here, as we stack up the zucchini fettuccine, it can be quite a good idea just to give it a little twist so it stands up, and then you can put a little bit more on top of that, twisting again if you can. And as you serve that straight away, it will stay nice and tall on the plate, just looks much nicer. Two more things to finish off, a little bit of a drizzle of that tarragon oil around the plate, looks really fantastic. And then of course the quick macadamia parmesan, as much as you want over the top, and you're ready to go. So there we go, a nice quick light lunch. If you enjoyed the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you fancy it, and I'll see you in the next one.